All right, we're going to do a slight, I guess, review, or we'll just say, just kind of explain the new machine we just purchased. This is a mini excavator rental. This is a New Holland E17c 2-ton mini excavator. The tracks are expandable. The blade, you can take the blade ends, ears, if I'll call them ears, and turn them in order to go inside a narrow space. So that location right there, just turn them in, and when you take the tracks and bring them in as well, you're able to go through a narrow opening. So it has an offset boom, so that the operator is able to see how he's digging a lot easier, versus a lot of the mini excavators are right in the center. So you have to look around when you're sitting from this position. You have to look around the boom in order to see how you're digging, where this one is actually offset, which is a good feature. It has some shields over the piston there. You have, this is my little partner here with me.
It's a new Holland hat.
There you go. And we have some guards here that protects this piston, or ram as they may call it. You have another one here in the front. Comes with a 12-inch bucket. At some point, I'll probably add a thumb, get some more attachments. It's a pretty decent machine from what we can tell thus far. Has the pilot controls.
Seatbelt. Seatbelt.
Doesn't have the foot pedals in order to move the machine front or back, but it does have the sticks. You have two controls here, the left foot and right foot control. One would be for an attachment, and the one on the right is for the swing blade. In order to swing not the swing blade, the swing boom. So it's got a counterweight on the back, and you have a emergency shut-off switch in the event that you need it. These here are the gauges. One on the left is the hydraulic. One on the right is your fuel. The indicator there in the center there is letting you know that's pretty much where it should stay. You don't want to overfill it. And when that's full, it'll let you know you're full of fuel. You have here hydraulic fluid is the red cap, diesel fuel is the black cap. You have, this is your blade control, up and down. These obviously are your joysticks. This is the engine compartment.
Whoa!
It's a Kubota 3-cylinder diesel. You have your power switch here to turn off all the power. Oil filter, fuel water separator, which can turn off and on, air filter, fuse box. Pretty compact design. Fuse box right there in the center. This is your coolant reservoir. So pretty decent. Nice little setup. Just pull this lever and the door closes.
Ooh.
Key goes in there. This is your display. Shows your hours, fuel. I haven't gone through all of that yet, but pretty quiet. Pretty quiet, that's exhaust. Another video, I'll show the operations of everything. Right now, this is just kind of a overview of the machine, and kind of give anybody an idea of if they're interested in buying one like this. All right, thanks for looking at Mini Excavator, and I hope that you liked the video, and stay tuned for our next video, kind of going over the operations. All right, thanks again.